RC Vets first started in a small apartment. The search for quality products at abroad and applying proper regulatory requirements for our company. We started in a small apartment way back June 2023, trying to cut all the costs and search for proper products. In these regards, we had continuously partnered with different companies, the search for the right partner and the search for the right products. Comes July 2024, we were able to find the proper place to first establish the RC Vet retail store. Together with our team, we had committed to proper services, to commit to proper handling of our clients' concerns through online inquiries, through Facebook, through our own personal pages, and as well as, of course, through our phone calls. RC Vet right now has different branches because of the customers' continuous support, our clients' commitment to quality, the search for the proper pet products, quality products, not only these products, but also the innovative offers that we can give. Not limited to grooming, but to pet care services as well. Right now, I'm inviting everyone to please participate on our RC Vets continuous expansion. Currently, we had 4 branches. One here is in Friendship Highway, Angeles City, Timog area, which is located in Barangay Anunas in front of 7-Eleven. RC Vet San Fernando is currently located at General Hizon Extension, Barangay Santa Lucia, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Then, our newest addition to our family, to our branches, is RC Vet Olongapo, which is located at West Bahak-Bahak, Olongapo City, Zambales. It is currently located at the back of Olongapo City Hall. As you can see, our branches is community-driven and community inclusive, wherein people can have the right access to pet care, pet services, quality products, and of course, the affordability of each.